my channel. Today all I'm going to be doing is trying to attempt Beyonce's grown woman head wrap kind of style. It's my own take on it, obviously, because it can't be like exactly the same as hers, but mine's kind of like a no bobble needed situation. I'm going to start with this long piece of material I got, and I'm literally going to tip my head down. So whoop, and then just put this around the back like so. Get all of your hair at the front, everything at the front like this. Wrap it around the back like that. And then what we do, as we're wrapping it around, we cross this over like this. Can you see? We've crossed it over. And then we pull it back round this, round the back. So we're kind of tying it like a bobble. Can you see? So we cross it round the back like this, so we're tying it round like a bobble, and then we flip back. Okay, we've got this. Once we've got this bit down, it's a walk in the park, okay? But at this point there might be some loose bits, and then we just have to sort those out. So can you see how this bit's a bit loose? Just pull that around. Not much of a problem. And then what we do is we take this again and cross it over once more, and then if there are little stray bits like this, just tuck it under, and then I literally go like this and then tie it back at the back, and that is it. This is such a simple and easy hairstyle, and it is so cute. Then if you see that there's a little bit of stray here, literally you only have to tuck it in, and then we have an amazing style here. And then this literally just lets your hair fall on top. I'm a bit cautious of my piercing, tucking it under, but yeah. And that's it. You can make it go all the way back so it's more like a pony. So cute. And do you see how fast that was? That is something you can do so quick and easy in the mornings. And because my hair isn't even that long, can you imagine if your hair was long, like the box braids all the way down, like yes. But I love this because my hair is getting messy, bro. Like my hair is getting so messy, so this is a perfect style for me to do, to kind of just need to do my edges, and the rest can just be hidden away under this. So guys, I really hope you like this quick and easy tutorial. If you've got any questions, then please let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.